Hey everyone! Get ready to have your minds blown because today we're diving deep into some of the most fascinating and unbelievable geographical facts. From the lowest point on Earth to the largest rainforest, get ready to explore the wonders of our planet. We're going to uncover hidden truths and mind-boggling realities that make you appreciate just how incredible our world truly is. So buckle up because you're in for an amazing ride. Let's go! When we say something is below sea level, we usually think of it being just a little bit lower, right? Well, the Dead Sea takes this to a whole new level. This saltwater lake, nestled between Jordan and Israel, is the lowest point on the surface of Earth. How low are we talking? Try a staggering 1,412 feet below sea level. The Dead Sea is also famous for being one of the saltiest bodies of water on the planet. In fact, it's almost 10 times saltier than the ocean. The high salt content makes the water so dense that you just bob around like a cork. Pretty cool, right? Take a deep breath in. Feel that fresh oxygen filling your lungs? Well, there's a good chance that a big chunk of that oxygen came all the way from the Amazon rainforest. This incredible ecosystem, spanning across 9 South American countries, is like the lungs of our planet. It's so massive and so full of life that it produces a whopping 20% of the world's oxygen. But the Amazon is more than just a giant oxygen factory. It's home to 10% of the world's known species. From jaguars prowling the forest floor to monkeys swinging through the canopy, the Amazon is teeming with life in every direction. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, and its destruction would have devastating consequences for all of us. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember to thank the Amazon. Chapter 3. Title: Mount Everest. Not the tallest after all? We all know Mount Everest, right? The tallest mountain in the world, piercing the heavens at a staggering 29,031 feet. Well, here's the thing. Everest might not actually be the tallest mountain depending on how you measure it. Everest gets bragging rights for being the highest point above sea level. But if we're talking about the mountain with the greatest distance from its base to its peak, then Mauna Kea in Hawaii takes the crown. A huge chunk of Mauna Kea is submerged beneath the Pacific Ocean. When you measure it from its base on the ocean floor to its summit, it measures out at a whopping 33,500 feet. That's almost a mile taller than Everest. Chapter 4. Title: Russia, a country where time gets really interesting. Imagine traveling across a country so vast that you have to set your watch back 11 times. That's the reality in Russia, the largest country on Earth. This massive nation stretches across a mind-boggling 11 time zones, from the bustling cities of the West to the remote villages of the East. To put that into perspective, imagine having breakfast in Moscow as the sun rises, then hopping on a plane and landing in Vladivostok just in time for a late dinner on the same day. It spans across more than 1/8 of the Earth's inhabited land area, covering a distance of over 5,600 miles from east to west. That's like traveling from New York City all the way to London and then keeping going for another 3,000 miles. Talk about a time warp. Chapter 5. Title: Africa, the continent of 4 hemispheres. Here's a geography trivia question that will make you the life of the party. What's the only continent located in all 4 hemispheres? The answer: Africa. That's right, this incredible continent straddles the equator and the prime meridian, placing it squarely in the northern, southern, eastern, and western hemispheres. But Africa is much more than just lines on a map. It's a continent of incredible diversity, from the snow-capped peaks of Mount Kilimanjaro to the vast savannas of the Serengeti. It's home to over 1.2 billion people speaking over 2,000 languages, making it a melting pot of cultures and traditions. So the next time you think about Africa, remember that it's not just a continent, it's a world unto itself. Outro, title, that's a wrap. Wow, we've covered some serious ground today, haven't we? From the lowest point on Earth to the largest rainforest, from mountains that challenge our understanding of height to a country that spans 11 time zones, we've explored some of the most mind-blowing geographical facts our planet has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of geographical wonders, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating content. And don't forget to share your thoughts and any other mind-blowing facts you might know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.